Founded in 1916, Boeing became a global aerospace industry leader. Produced military and commercial planes, including iconic Boeing 707 jetliner. Boeing 747 revolutionized air travel. Introduced in 1970 globally. Merged with McDonnell Douglas in 1997, strengthening aerospace dominance. Boeing 737 is world's most widely used commercial aircraft model. 737 MAX grounded worldwide after 2 deadly crashes in 2018-2019. Total Boeing aircraft crash exceeds 700 since the company's inception. Major causes include mechanical failures, pilot error, and design flaws. Boeing faced lawsuits, reputation damage, and global regulatory scrutiny. Company continues improving safety, design, and restoring public trust worldwide.